Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to link buttons to internal pages in Wix. Connecting buttons to the right pages helps guide visitors smoothly through your website. Now let's get started. We go to the upper left corner where we find our websites. Click the drop-down and select All Websites. This will take us to a new page. On this page, we select the website we want to edit. Click Edit Website and wait for it to load. Sometimes, loading may take longer if your website has many pages. Once we are editing the page, go to the upper left again and click My Store. Then, go to Stores and Pages. For this example, let's go to the product page. On the product page, wait for it to load. Now, let's use this button as an example. We will add a button. Choose the button and click on it. Let's select this sample button and add it. Once we have the button, we want it to take users to another page when clicked. To do this, click the link option at the top. Choose Link, and here, select the page you want to link to. For example, we want this button to go to the home page. Just click Done. When you click this, the button will now take visitors to your home page. This is how we link buttons to internal pages in Wix. With connected buttons, your site becomes more interactive and easier to navigate.